Hi there, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel and welcome to this look at the offers on some of the Tamiya kits available through Amazon during their Black Friday event 2025. I've provided links for all the products I mentioned. For full disclosure, these are affiliate links, so if you follow them, then at no cost to you, Amazon will make a donation to the running of this channel. But the purpose of this video is to show you some of the deals available on kits that I think are good anyway. So let's make a start with a look at some of the bargains available. We'll start with 1/35th scale and this superb set with the Panzer IV version G, complete with 4 crew figures, a motorcycle and a rider. That's a lot of things to make and paint, and it comes in at less than £30, down from almost £40. Next, the French H39 light tank with a light price of £18.42, down from £30. There is the superb M18 Hellcat tank destroyer, also with a crew figure. This is down from over £43 to just £31.36. Then there is the glorious Soviet KV-2 with its huge turret and 2 crew figures, now £32.25, down from almost £45. I'm very tempted by that myself. In the smaller 1/48 scale, there are also some bargains, such as this imposing Sturmtiger assault tank, previously selling at over £27 and now just £19.47. In the same vein is this Elefant tank destroyer, once almost £25 and now selling at under £19. From the Allies is the famous M4A3 Sherman tank, once almost £23 and now on sale at just £17.26. I made one of these for a 48-hour group build last year and it was a complete delight. Also available is the M5A1 Stuart light tank, previously £21 and now on sale at £16.47. And finally, to get us right up to date, is this beautiful 1/35th scale kit of the German Leopard 2A6 as it currently serves with the Ukrainian army. This was £37, now under £30. Well, these are just some of the offers available, ones that particularly caught my eye. Of course, like all such deals, they're on a while stocks last basis, so you need to check on availability, and Amazon has been known to add more products to their Black Friday sales as time goes on. Do also remember, check prices against other deals from other companies that may be available, but do factor in that if you're a Prime member, you will get free delivery as well. Now, I hope you can find something that catches your interest and saves you some cash. Happy hunting with that. Thanks very much for watching today, and goodbye.